Hello everyone, it's me JB from UniqueTutorials. Today in this video I will show you how to play any unsupported video in Windows, Linux, Mac, Android and iOS devices. So without further more delay, let's begin. So right now I'm using a Windows computer. So if you're using a Linux, Mac, Android and iOS devices, still the tricks will remain the same. So first let me show you, I have one video and let me try to open it. So you can see it's showing something that missing codecs. This item was encoded in a format that is not supported, so I can play this respective video. So if you face such an issue, then what you can do to fix such kind of issues, the first way you can solve this issue by installing a respective video codecs which is missing. That is, let us check this video properties and let us find out its format. So you can see it's a .mp4. so we'll just go to the details and we can check more or not. Let's find out. So it's a mp4 file, still it's unable to play this format, so it might be a little different. So we need to install mp4 video codecs to make this video run on this respective computer. So you can install a respective codecs for your respective computer, or you can do one more ways is by using any video converter, like a free video converter for Windows is Handbrake, or Handbrake is available for your Linux also. And if you're using Android or iOS devices, you can use any video converter that is available on the respective stores. And the third way to fix this kind of issue is using a third-party video player software or applications on your respective devices. So say I will try to play it again, so still we can play using the default video players, right? So for this we can use the most popular video player application that is named as VLC, which is available across throughout all the computer and mobile platforms. That is, if you're using a Windows, Linux, Mac or Android or iOS device, you can use a VLC media player throughout your device. So let me open the VLC media player. So I have opened a VLC media player, so you can see. So just let me drag this video, whether I can play this video on the VLC media player or not. So finally you can see I can just play the video which I am unable to play on the respective video player. So let us play it by default. So still it can't play with the default video player, but if you play it with the VLC media player, then we are able to play that unsupported video. So the main problem here is missing video codecs for the respective video player and nothing more than that. So the best suggestions from my side will be use any third-party video player software like VLC, which supports almost all the video formats or the video codecs. So if you never known about these cool tricks, then definitely you should try it out. And if you find this video tutorial useful, click on the thumbs like button, and if you're new to our channel, click on the subscribe button. And lastly, thanks for watching.